Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be our January Boxycharm unboxing. So it's pretty late in the month and my box just arrived. So I was a little surprised on how late it got sent out. And typically you usually get an email and it lets you know when things were shipped out and it gives you tracking. And I didn't get that this month, so that was a little disappointing. But I already took the tape off just to make this process a lot quicker. So this is what it looks like as soon as you open it. And the first thing is the pamphlet, which tells you the theme of the box, which is breaking the ice. On the back of it tells you the price and all the products that you are receiving in your box. First thing that we have right here is Skin & Co. Roma. It's a truffle therapy polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. So this is... Okay, so let's see here. It retails for $28 and it says it's a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. It has a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and luxury Italian spa experience. It is a beauty cabinet staple. Sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, black winter truffle extract, and it is going to help buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. So we're just going to open this. I think I got too much out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It does look like the apricot scrub, if you guys are familiar with that. The texture is a lot creamier, a lot thinner. The beads aren't, well, the exfoliants isn't as harsh as the apricot scrub, and it does smell really, really good. I can't place what it smells like, but it just smells really, really good. So that's what it looks like. I will test this out and I'll let you guys know what I think. A lot of times I do get a little nervous when I get things in my beauty boxes because I have really sensitive skin. It's really sensitive, it's acne prone, and I just don't want to break out because that has definitely happened to me in the past. But I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna see how it goes. I will let you guys know. But if you've gotten yours already and if you like it, let me know in the comments. But yeah, I can always use a really, really good exfoliant. So the next product is this right here. This is a Van Shea Butter Rice Bran 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleep Mask. Oh, okay. So you apply a thin layer to your clean, dry skin, allow it to absorb into the skin, and you don't need to wash this off. That's pretty cool. So I do like face masks like this. I had one that I got last year from Boxycharm, and I really, really liked it. Wow. Okay, so this is $107 retail price. That's a bit expensive. So it is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleep Mask, works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It helps tighten the skin and lessens the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. This is $107. Let's see what this looks like. We're only gonna show the smallest amount on camera. So literally the tiniest amount. Okay, I think I'm still smelling this on my hand, so I'm gonna see if I can move it to the other hand. So we're just gonna, oh, that smells really, really good. So it smells expensive. You know what I mean? You know when you smell things, you're like, oh, that smells expensive. That's what this was like. Expensive. Well, so far the two products that I got, I'm pretty excited about. So the next product that I got right here is from Pretty Vulgar. This is their concealer, and the shade that I got was 63, the middle ground. This retails you for $25. It's a lightweight gel serum concealer. It's meant to be hydrating, buildable, provide medium coverage with natural flawless finish. There's vitamin E and something else that I cannot pronounce. It's supposed to improve the skin's appearance. doe foot applicator, and meant to cover dark circles. Okay, so I'm hoping that this is going to match. This actually looks like a pretty good match. I've never tried any of their concealers before. I haven't heard anything about it either. So I don't know if this dries down darker, because you guys know that there are concealers out there that do dry down a little darker, but I'm hoping that this is going to go really well, because I have heard really good things about their products, just I haven't heard anything about this one. So I like smelling everything. So this is what the applicator looks like. Can you guys see? Does this do anything? Okay, so this is what it looks like. It doesn't have a scent. I'm going to swatch it. That might actually be a perfect concealer shade for me. Kind of excited. I'm always looking for a concealer, and the one that I'm currently using right now is running out. This is with it blended out, so that could possibly work. I'm hoping it's going to be enough coverage for me. It does say buildable, so we will see. But I was looking to picking up another concealer, so I'm going to hold off on that, and I'll test this out and I'll let you guys know what I think, or I'll just do a separate video just testing out the products I received in this month's box, you know, just like my normal videos or my other videos. Sorry. So this product right here is the Queen Studio Matte Liquid Lip Stain, and this is $17 retail price, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a really nice peachy, corally, pinky nude. So it is a full coverage lip, sorry, I can't read. It is a full coverage enthusiast. This matte liquid lip stain is your superhero. Extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in 1 to 2 coat with 24-hour performance. What does that smell like? I don't know, it has kind of a strong scent. I'm gonna be here for like 5 hours just sniffing and smelling this and just not knowing what or where to place this. So this is the color. It actually kind of looks a little like the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick in Ginger that I have. The formula is really thin, but this actually looks really nice. So I'll test this out also, and we'll see how comfortable the formula is. So the last product that I got, I'm just moving the box so hopefully it doesn't fall and make super loud noise. So the last product that I received is the product that I picked. You are allowed to pick one of 2 products that you can just secure in your box for the following month. So it was a choice between 2 palettes. They're both from the same brand, which is Ace Beaute, and this palette retails you for $34.99. So this is what the packaging looks like, and this is what the actual packaging looks like. There were 2 variations. I'll show you the one that I got first, and I'll tell you what the other one looks like. It's always so nice when you get a palette in the mail and it's not cracked. So this is the one that I picked out. I just thought it was so pretty. I just love these colors. I think I can do a lot with it. The other palette, I think it had more of the pinker and redder tones, but everything just kind of looked like a pink and reddish palette. And I have a bunch of pink shadows, and I mean, I love pink, you guys know. You know, but I just felt like I'd be able to do more, and I don't have tons of palettes with a lot of these colors, so I thought this would be a really good one to pick and get, and it just looks really pretty. I have heard a lot of good things from their eyeshadow palettes. I have friends who've had Boxycharm a lot longer than I have, and their Ace Beaute palettes they've absolutely loved, so I'm really excited. I'm not going to swatch it, you guys know, or if you don't know and you're new to the channel, I like taking pictures of all the products before I dip my fingers in it. but I always do a separate video just testing out the products, just based off of if I have enough products to film a whole tutorial. So the next video, well, not the next video, but in a video very soon, I will test out these 3 products for you guys and let you know. And I will test these 2 products over the next couple of days. So by the time I film that video, I can give you a little bit of a first impression, kind of a mini review on everything. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and